So hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So we are back with another video about Bitcoin and what's currently happening with Bitcoin right now, what prices it's touching and what resistance or support it's seeing right now. So we talked about that daily on this channel on a live stream, and do make sure to tune in daily on that live stream. I talk about any recent price changes, any recent crypto news, and any recent thing that we are seeing in the crypto community. So do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create long form content like this, telling you about any signals that crypto is seeing or anything to keep you updated within the crypto community. So do make sure to tune in for these videos also. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. If we just go back to the overview on coinmarket.com that we are currently seeing, we can see Bitcoin is currently trading at around $42,927 and up about 0.33% in the past hour, down about 0.62% in the past 24 hours, and up about 7.44% in the past 7 days. So let's just take a brief overview of what it's currently looking like, and then we'll head over to the trading view charts to talk more about the resistance it's seeing right now. So if we just take a look at the left panel over here, we are currently at a market cap of around $841 billion right now, and we are at a volume of around $24.2 billion. And we are back to our regular trading volume days, which we already talked about, that our regular trading volume is around $20 to $25 billion in a regular trading day in Bitcoin. And we are back to those trading days. Just a couple days ago, we were seeing low trading volumes such as $11 billion, $15 billion, but we are back to the trading prices, and we are up about 16.84% in volume in the past 24 hours. If we just take a quick look at today's graph, we can see we are currently trading at around 43.2k. We were at 24 hours ago, and for most of the day we were in the green. We only saw slight dips right here, all in the red area, but we were in the green for most of the day. Daily high being around $43,796, and our daily little dump that we are having right now, we have gone as low as $42,798, and we are seeing a slight dip over here, but that is very regular in a regular volatile crypto market. So let's head over to TradingView to talk more about what's currently happening in the price of Bitcoin right now. So if we just take a look at a regular 1 hour time frame on tradingview.com, we can see that we are in this current price range of around 43.2k to around 43.8k. So this is our long-term resistance, that short-term resistance that we are currently seeing, and we have seen this resistance price being hit multiple times in just the past times, and we are seeing it currently being hit again, and that is a crucial part of our upcoming price prediction for Bitcoin. So this price range is very crucial for the Bitcoin price, because we have seen this price range being hit a couple times in the recent times, and we have seen the price bounce back from this resistance, and then we saw it being hit the second time, and we saw it bounce back from that resistance again. Now we are again seeing this touch in the resistance, and we are seeing this big red candle in the hourly time frame. If you look, we are seeing the price bounce back from the resistance, so we can expect something more of a retracement in the upcoming times before we eventually go on and break through resistance, creating new highs. But for now, that is not the case. Even if we look at the 4 hour time frame, we can already see that our big red candle has broken through that resistance, and we are going below our regular levels in the resistance range, and we are still trading below our regular range. Now based on what's happened before, when this resistance was hit, it already bounced back twice from that resistance. The first time it wasn't much, and then reversed from right here, then it got hit again, and then it was a big downtrend after that reversal and after that bouncing back from the resistance. Now we are hitting the resistance for a third time actually, and we are seeing the price dip after seeing that resistance. So that might be another signal that we are yet to go back from this resistance, and this isn't quite the time to break through resistance and go on to new highs. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about what the price of Bitcoin is currently seeing on the hourly and the 4-hour time frame. We are talking about the current price resistance that it's currently trading at, and what we could possibly see in the upcoming times of Bitcoin after this resistance is being hit. So that was it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out the daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto changes or any recent news in the crypto community to keep you updated. And I also do long form content like this on this channel, talking about any recent signal and anything in the crypto community to keep you updated on that also. So do make sure to check that out. So if you like this video, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.